Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find display. Then let's scroll down to find the option which is called sleep and tap on it. So here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom, almost at the bottom, the longest time option which is 30 minutes, and the option never, which means that after choosing it your device will never black out automatically. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, and as you can see, after tapping on the specific option it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on this device will black out automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.